down here. But this place right here is really pretty. I wanted to get it on video. The pigs jammed on me. There we go. Yeah. This is really beautiful up here. Down there is Pearl Harbor. This is all Pearl City, Waipahu, North Shore, the west side. You can see everything up here. Yoram was saying that you can see all of the orchids are blooming. If I see some, I'll videotape it. Whoa. Okay, here we go. But you can see all of the guavas. They're getting ready to ripen. These are all guavas. Yeah, I used to ride these trails when I was a little kid, and it's basically still the same. I'm kind of like a little kid still yet, you know. I mirror every day and I say, who's that old guy looking at me? But that's me, man. I still feel like, well, my body isn't like when I was younger, but my brain is like, life to the max, you know. Don't let life pass you by, man. Don't do it. Do what makes you feel good. Stay healthy. Live a good life. Be nice to people, and do what you like doing, man. Be like my buddy Yoram over here. He's really cool, man. He always help me out, and well, we help each other, you know. Anytime somebody needs help, you just help them. Wow, but yeah, boy. He likes to go for action. I do too. Really relieves your mind, man. You know, it's just stress out. Forget about stupid people you gotta deal with at work. Oh my God, that's how deep this water is. Create a little water. Pigs are dragging.